In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to adjust the flashlight brightness on an iPhone. Okay? So right here is the flashlight. So to turn the flashlight on, just tap this. Now you can adjust the flashlight by pressing and holding down the flashlight icon. And you can move it up. As you can see, it's getting brighter. And you can just move it down, and it gets more dim. And you can just turn it completely off as well. So there you go, that is how to adjust the flashlight brightness on an iPhone. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.